Hi everyone, this is Kiki Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin ito reaction video, ang BINI and Orchestra of the Filipino Youth Oxygen official music video. Actually, linabas na lang nga yung official audio yesterday or last night if I'm not mistaken, pero hindi ko talaga chinek muna yung kanta kasi gusto ko the element of surprise talaga. Yung first time ko marinig ang kanta, what is the song all about, is gagawan ko siya ng reaction video and may papakita ko yung genuine reaction ko. Yung first time ko talaga siyang marinig. So I won't take on longer. Of course, BINI never disappoints, isn't it? So I won't take on longer. Let's all watch this and start the reaction video. Coke Studio. Ah, okay. Ay, taray. Atake. Si Juana. Okay. National Anthem. BINI. Akala ko naman National Anthem for today's video. Joanna. Ay, ang ganda ni Sheena. Grabe, wait lang. Sheena talaga, kahit alam mo yung ano talaga siya, not attention seeker, okay? Attention seeker sana ngayon sasabihin ko. Si Sheena talaga, malalaman mo talaga na parang she is something like not trying her best, but she's making it sure na ang makakapanood sa performance ng BINI, whether it's live performance or music video, make sure niya talaga na dapat makot niya talaga yung attention ng mga tao. So as you can see, nakita mo si Joanna yung kumakanta kanina, pero napapansin ko na talaga siya kasi yung musicality ng katawan niya, yung kamay niya is parang walang buto, plus ang movement ng buhok niya pati. Grabe. Oh, grabe. Ganda talaga ni Sheena. Atake. I really love how Sheena yung pagka-diva niya dito. She's so diva. Slay. Slay siya dito. Ang sexy niya talaga. Oh wait, is that wow? Is that a harmonization? Yeah, it's a harmonization. Ganda. Mika. Mika never disappoints, and also the musicality of her body as well, the movement. Talagang pinakita, wait lang, talagang make sure talaga ng Coca-Cola. Hindi yung gumawa ng, what do you call this, gumawa ng music video na kailangan talaga makita si Aya pag ang part na ni Mika ang ina-execute, right? Kailangan talaga makita siya. Ay, hindi ko napansin si Gwen dito, may hinahawakan pala siyang, what do you call that, hindi yan violin eh. May instrument. Is it Gwen? Oh, Gwen, no? Is it Gwen? No, it's not Gwen. It's just part of BINI. Okay. Ang cute ng choreo nila. Grabe si Aya dun, ha? I love the aura. Kanya-kanya sila. May mga kanya-kanya silang statement na pinapakilala dito for today's video, actually. Ganda ni Maloy. Wait. The song is really catchy in fairness, but hindi pa ako nakapokus sa kanila. Yung gusto ko talaga kasi how they will gonna execute their choreography. Ang ganda nun, Maloy. Ang ganda nun, Maloy. No, not this part. The attitude. Uy, babae dito si, si Colette, Eh, okay. After ng demure, wait lang, after ng demure na gumaganong-ganon si Colette, it's just like binawi niya dito, Hindi siya nagpapatalo kasi di ba si Maloy, Sheena, Gwen, Mika, Aya, Stacey, bongga din ang execution nila. Actually, si Gwen hindi ko napapansin, Ayun, the transition. Yes. Tunog international yung kanta, in fairness, pati yung boses ni Maloy. Sorry if I kept on pauses, Asan si Gwen? Ganda. Is that Maloy, no? Yung nagsa-second voice? Yeah, it's Maloy. Uy, ayun. Ayun si Gwen. Parang konti lang yung part ni Gwen dito. Is that Gwen, right? Yeah, that is Gwen. Oo, si Gwen. Ba't ang bilis naman ng part ng kay Gwen? Ayun si Gwen. Ayun. Ay, ito. Ganda ni Gwen doon. Ganda ng smile ni Gwen doon. Oh, the rapping skills. Ay, wow. Wait, wow. Ay, grabe si Sheena. Wait, what? Ay, grabe. Ganda ni Sheena. Ay, grabe si Sheena, mami. Grabe. Oh my God! Seriously? Hoy! Hindi ko ito in-expect, Okay. Yes! Atake! I love it, I love it. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The Beanie and the Orchestra of the Filipino Youth Oxygen official music video. Nagulat ako sa last part. Actually, this is Kinyo Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!